Hi everyone, it's Gagajoy. Gagajoy's cooking. Thought we'd make a little, like a apple dumpling today or something in that vein. And this just busted in my hand, so we'll see how that goes. I still have so many apples, and of course I've got a lot frozen. So what I wanted to do was just make a few little apple dumplings first with them. And they don't look like it's any, looks like it's a little fragile here. But the best thing I bought this year was the apple peeler. It makes the easiest thing I've ever had with the peel apples, and it does a perfect job. I'm going to put 3 slices at the end of this, and maybe a little bit of apple pie spice. I've already got sugar. I've got a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of white sugar, and about a teaspoon of cinnamon already in that. I was just going to put a little bit extra there. Now I've got 3 slices in this one. Maybe they'll turn out to be a little bit better. Right now they look like they're in a mess. But the can just blew up in my hand, so I don't know what's going on there. Maybe I got a bad can, who knows. But that one seemed like it did pretty good. They do seem awfully odd. I've never bought this particular one before. It's supposed to be bigger than the regular ones, and I thought, well, that'd be good for the apples. So, maybe it wasn't. Who knows? It looks like it'll work. And 3 more apples. Slices. I think 3 slices would be okay. A bit more apple spice. I love apples this time of year. And I got my oven on 350. And when it comes out, we've got caramel to put on them. So that sounds good, doesn't it? I think that this is supposed to make 8. But you know, when you get these crescent rolls, they're very forgiving. You can almost they come in pieces, you can put them right back together and it works. Because I've made things with them before, and it's a very giving thing. Even though this one really looks as bad as they come. We'll give it a try. Besides, how can you make anything with apples bad? I don't think you can. But maybe we can. Anyway, I do love crescent rolls. I don't know what could have happened to this can. Maybe they put it on the shelf too long. But it was still in the date. So, since we got it going, we'll just keep going. Because like I said, that crescent rolls are very forgiving about anything you do. You can sort of work around them and fix holes and stuff like that. And in the long run, they just come out good any way you look at it. Have you ever got a can like this? I really haven't. Let's try more. Here. A little bit more apple. Spice. Strange. me do one more apple. I really thought that was it done, but it wasn't. We fixed almost a bushel one night, so it does do good. Maybe I'm usually not the one that works it, but today I am. So it just slips right off. And then all I do is just cut them down the middle, like that. And put them in the sugar and cinnamon. I think next week we can make apple fritters. I probably should have done that today since this turned out so badly. I still have hopes, though, that it will be good because it's got too many good things in it. And I'm putting 3 slices. And that seems perfect. I think we're going to call these dumplings because they're not going to look like crescent rolls, that's for sure. More. I'll just put 1 there. I should let the kids do them. They would have done better than me today. I've got another can of this. I'm going to go check it too. Because I really was going to make 2 cans, but with this one being so bad, I think I've changed my mind. Okay. Well, being as it may, there's my apple dumplings with crescent rolls. We got 15 minutes. No, we'll see. Well, I think it's time to take our dumplings out, as it turns out. Oh, yeah. Oh, this looks so good. Like I said, they're probably going to be called dumplings and not crescent rolls. We're going to put a little bit of caramel on them. While they're still hot and palatable. Yeah, that one looks wonderful. They all look good. Well, I know sometimes it tastes as good as it looks, so this time we're going to say it tastes better than it looks. I've got one more of those packages in the refrigerator. I'm going to test them and see how they are. Well, if it could be any better, I don't know how. Everything is just perfect. Well, I hope you try them. I hope your crescent rolls turn out better than mine, but they couldn't taste any better, that's for sure. Anyway, take care of yourself. Go make you some crescent dumplings with apples in them. I'll see you soon. Take care of yourself and remember the joy.